identify the terms. You can see here I have written here terms. You can see terms are joined by plus or minus sign only. If you want to identify the terms, you want to see, want to see that there is plus or sign or not, there is minus sign or not. If you are seeing the multiply division is in this factors or terms, so that is mean it is a single term. Now I am taking example for this to clarify this question. Now you can see, for example, I am writing the example here. You can see I have written 3xy plus 4y minus 7. So now we have to identify the terms. Now beta, you can see here, we can see here there are two sign. You can see there are two sign, plus and minus. But if you can see properly, the 3xy, because you have done with the integer also, 3xy, it has also plus sign, it has also a plus sign with it. So now we have how many sign beta? You can see plus, we have minus. It means we have three signs here. Okay, and you can see properly we have the sign of multiplication also, we have sign of multiplication also. But you can see I have written here, in multiplication or division we are not considering any term, so we are ignoring these multiplication sign for the identification of terms. So now you can count beta one term, it is one term first, that is second term, and that is third term. Now how to write the terms in your answers? You have to write like answer, the terms are, you have to write terms are, you have to write with sign 3xy, because you know that we don't use plus sign in front of the number itself, so it is already positive number. So that is the first term 3xy. Now mark comma sign, now mark comma sign, then you write the second term, that is also plus term, so you will write only 4y, not plus 4y. If you are writing plus 4, that is no problem, but it is understood that it is also positive term if you are not writing the plus sign there. Then the last term is in minus, so you have to write minus 7, so you have to write the sign with also, because we have to show minus itself, because it is very important to show minus. The term is negative, so we can write the terms as per this. The first term is 3xy, the second term is plus 4y, the third term is minus 7. So you have to write comma in between them. Okay, don't use 3 comma y comma, no, it is completely single term. That is, this is a single term, this is also single term, and this is also single term. So you can see this is trinomial, this is trinomial. Clear? Now you can see I am taking one more example, you can understand. Then again, if I am writing 3 by 5 xy square minus 4. Now you can see beta, now you can see all, you can see there are two sign, they are minus sign. You can see in between you can see there between multiplication sign, and one is division sign. So we are completely ignoring the multiplication and division here. We are completely ignoring the multiplication and division by identification of terms. Now this is the first term, we have first term, this is first term, and this is our second term. So the answer of this question is, you have to write minus 3 by 5 xy square, that is the first term, and the second term is minus y, that is the second term. That is the concept of terms. That is the concept of terms. I am repeating again, we are considering only plus minus sign to identify the terms only. We are ignoring, completely ignoring the multiplication and division sign in the expression. So that is the concept of factors.